Hey, this is Olivia. Olivia's entering fourth grade, and she knew she was going to need some braces this year, but she's told her mom that she wanted to have aligners instead. So exciting news, she got ClearCorrect aligners. Why? Because she likes the color green. You're going to go ahead and put those in your mouth, show us how they go in, show us how they come out, and show us how you use your Chewies. All right, she put them in already. Great job. That was easy. Now go ahead and put in your Chewies and show us how you do this. These are great flavored Chewies. You can get these from Amazon. All right, chew them all around. Okay, good job. Great job with the Chewies. Folks, if a 9-year-old can do these, you can definitely do these. They're so easy. And Olivia, can you answer this question? How many hours a day do you need to wear your aligners?
22.
She said 22 hours a day she needs to wear her aligners. That's right, she wears them all the time unless she's eating, drinking, or brushing her teeth. All right, that's it today. Now you know how to put in aligners and use Chewies. Have a great day. Any questions, visit StraightSmileSolutions.com.